How to fix numbers not displaying correctly in Microsoft Excel. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Excel on your device. Now, you can simply select the cell where you have numbers and you're having a problem. You can select multiples or one at a time as well. After you've selected, right-click on it and click on Format Cells. After you click on Format Cells on here, click on Category. If it is number, currency, date, time, percentage, and other options, simply select the one you prefer and press on OK. After you do that, the numbers will be formatted to that form that you selected. And this is how to fix numbers not displaying correctly in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.